Hello everyone, today I want to share with you how to make crawl space digging process much more easier and faster. This way would be useful especially when you work by yourself and you don't have help to dig it. I use 6 garbage bags like a tool of transportation, and now I show you how I make it. Enjoy the video. Here you can see how I fill the bag. I filled it not too much so I can handle it after. The bag is a good tool to transport the dirt because it doesn't have sharp corners and it doesn't stuck. Because it's flexible material and it's very strange, you can just move it easily. I tried to do this with bucket, but it's way hard because you always need to lift the bucket up, especially when you don't have space to lift it up properly. When I finished to fill the bag with dirt, I load it on my wheelbarrow and haul it to the trailer. Now you can see I empty the bags and will reuse them again and again while I don't get the special result that I need in the crawl space. Thank you everyone for watching this video. It's pretty simple tip that I want to share with you guys. I hope it was a useful video for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, bye bye.